Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Supabase to Cursor. So it's a code editor with AI features. So first, you will have to open your Cursor and start a new project or open an existing one. Then you will have to log into your Supabase dashboard and you will have to go to the settings tab. Then you will copy your project URL and the API key. In Cursor, you will have to look for your app's environment or configuration section and paste in the Supabase URL and key. After that, you will be able to write queries, access your database, and even test authentication features all from within Cursor. This setup is useful if you're building a front end app and want to connect to a live backend while coding. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.